Hello, welcome to Spacewalker Tech Days for APAC. I'm Matthias, and we are glad to be hosting this fully technical event, diving into some trendy topics with our partners and customers. Enjoy!
The event is a very great idea for a knowledge transfer. Actually, it benefits not only Alcatel but for the other VPs and the clients as well, as they can also share their ideas on how to improve things.
Yeah, actually, I saw the SPB workshop. That was the one ignited my curiosity.
So starting from the first session to the last session, we enjoyed thoroughly, but especially the hands-on training.
So once I came over here, actually the workshops are interesting.
All sessions are really too good, and considering the Singapore as a green country, definitely we enjoy thoroughly over here.
The main goal is to learn something new. Besides that, I also want to meet the other partners from the other regions as well and talk with them and share knowledge.
We met over here across the globe team members, and definitely it is really good to be with them. We understand the technology, we have a good networking, we know the regional team members and all that, so definitely it is one of the good platform where we meet each other.
It's a rare opportunity for us to actually meet with our counterparts from other regions and share our different things or what are the problems we are facing on our region as well.
Met a few peers over here from different countries, and I could share my experience as well as get to know about the things in their country as well as their issues they are facing day-to-day life, and how the Alcatel get to resolve those issues.
We are happy, and we are going to share this information with our team members as well, and definitely we love to be participate in this type of event in future as well.
Of course, I really recommend it.
One thing is you can get some sparks on new technology. Other thing is you can get to know about the timelines as well as the new product launches that's oncoming.
It is nice to be in this type of event, and we are now clear that what Alcatel is going to do in next 3 years, and we love to hear from Alcatel again.
I learned a lot. Yeah, the event was really informative. So, like I said earlier, I will definitely recommend it to the others as well. Thank you.